I grew up with I guess fried rice. My parents are simple; they're from Hilo, so they make all the basics. I never really was interested in cooking when I was younger, so I didn't actually start being interested until after cooking school.
What about this recipe you're about to make?
So it's a bacon garlic fried rice. Should be fairly simple. Mostly people make fried rice. You put whatever inside and like I don't know carrots and vegetables and bacon or whatever. But mine I just put a little bit of acid in the end. So I like orange or lime, lemon,
wow.
mostly orange or lime,
Oh wow.
just to cut the fat and
Oh,
make it a little fresher.
Good.
Jasmine rice is standard, or Japanese rice is outside, but basmati rice is a little different. It's fluffier. It has, I think it has more flavor than everything else, and it's lighter. I like to eat lighter, not so heavy. So everything is the same. I put the rice in first in a hot pan, just to kind of it puffs up just a little bit dry, as opposed to just putting the oil and it's splattering all over your face and it's popping all over. So I just heat up the rice first, just a little bit. It'll puff up a little bit, not a lot. But once it gets hot, some of the bacon. So again, I like fat. I like all the good stuff. I just trying a little bit more health conscious. Otherwise,
How'd you cut the bacon?
like lardons. So you boil it in water, and then as the water, you strain it out, and then render it out. So it's not as salty. It's still salty, but not as salty.
And then you threw in garlic?
Yes, just slivers of garlic, thin sliced garlic. Put it on the mandolin. I'll just toast it. And some of the oil, just a little bit. And then I season now. Pepper.
It does splatter.
Yes. So, and then the flat chives.
So good, it has the bacon fat.
Yes. And then the flat chives. And you just saute that for a little bit. And then so from here, I turn it off and I adjust. Just a little bit of sesame, soy sauce. And this is where I put orange, lime.
Wow.
This one's yuzu. So just to keep it a little lighter. So you still have the bacon fat and everything.
But the citrus really hides it.
Yes, and it brings everything out more.
Yeah. Oh wow.
So really, it's just a.
There it is.